Are you looking for a simple ticket support system? Or maybe a forms-based ticket setup? Or even a multi-panel ticket system? Then make sure to watch this beginner-friendly tutorial where I walk you through everything step by step. Before starting the video, if you're already aware of any points mentioned here, then feel free to skip to a different timestamp. This video has been made in partnership with Tickety. Now let's begin the video. Firstly, let's create a new category called Ticket Panel. Since I am going to make different ticket options, I will make different channels for each of them, but you can make a single channel for your support tickets. After that, I will create a logs category, so whenever a ticket has been created or deleted, it will be logged here. Finally, I will be making categories for each ticket panel that we are going to see later in the video. If a user creates a new ticket, it will be created under this category. Now, let's look at the channel permissions. Right-click on the category, go to Edit Category, and then Permissions. Every channel under this category will be visible to everyone, then only users can create the ticket. You can follow these same permissions. For the logs channel, we have to make sure everyone role cannot view these channels. Only the staff can view these channels. I have provided the Tickety website link in the description, so just click on that, and you should see this website. After that, click on Invite Tickety. You can choose the server from here, and then just authorize. Once the bot has been added, you will be redirected to their website. Click on the dashboard option. Then log in with your Discord account. After that, click on Manage Server. Once you are on the dashboard, you will see this quick setup process. Just click on the quick setup option. Under the admin role, select a role that can access the Tickety bot completely. You can select any role, but I'd recommend going with the admin role only. The second option is to select a log channel. You can also change the language if you want. After that, you will see the option to unlock premium. Tickety offers a bunch of features, so I'd recommend checking out their premium plan. But for now, I will click on Maybe Later and start using the dashboard. Now, let's create a ticket panel. If you are creating the panel for the first time, then you will see this 4-step process. You can follow these steps to create your panel, or else you can click on the Advanced Settings option to follow along. Under the panel name, I will write General Support, because that is the basic ticket that we are going to create first. Under the support roles, select a role that can access this particular ticket. Here, select a category, under which all of our tickets is going to be created. Threading mode is an advanced feature. If you know how that works, then you can use this feature, but for now, I will keep it disabled only. For channel name generation, we have 3 options, and 2 of them are available for free. I'll go with the first option. In the first option, you can select any special role, and only they will be able to create tickets. And in the second option, you can select a role that won't be able to create tickets. Under the claiming system, we have different options to choose from. All of these are self-explanatory, so I will go with the third option. After all of this, we can go to the embeds option. Linked panels is basically our multi-panel. We are going to look at this option later in the video, so make sure to stick around. For the panel message, you can change the title, description, and side strip color. If you want to use the same messages that I am using, then make sure to check the description for the template links. We can also change the button type. If you're using a single ticket panel, then use the button option, and if you're using multiple tickets, then go with the drop-down menu. You can customize the button emoji, label, and color. At the bottom, you will see an FAQ configuration. This is also a cool feature. Basically, if you're using this feature, then you can link a button to answer some of the common questions. We are also going to look into this feature later in the video. After this, we can go to the Messages tab. Here you can customize the welcome message that will be seen by the users after creating the ticket. Here you can add or remove the roles that will be mentioned after the ticket has been created. Now I will customize the welcome message. I will skip the forms option for now because we are going to look into this later in the video. Availability is also a useful feature. If your staff team is not available at a particular day or time, then you can use this feature. Next is the Logging tab. Here, select the private channel that only the staff team can view. Last option is Advanced. This is also self-explanatory. Finally, select the channel where this ticket panel will be sent, then click on Publish. This is the final look of our basic ticket system. Now, let's see the Forms ticket. We can create a new panel from scratch, or just duplicate this ticket panel. I will write the new panel name, that is Report A User. I will also change the ticket category. Under the Embeds option, I will change the panel message. You will find the template link in description. I will also change the button name. Under the Messages tab, I will change the welcome message. Now comes the important part, creating the forms. By the way, you can even change the answer type, whether it will be a text-based or select options. There is an image option too, but that's a premium feature. I will create some questions and show you how it will look. Lastly, I will change the logging channel. This is the final look of our Forms ticket. Here, I've made another ticket panel for partnerships. Now, let's see how you can create a multi-panel with all of these ticket options. Select any ticket panel, then go to the Embeds option, and then the Linked panel. From the available panels, drag them into the linked panels. You can change the order of the panels however you would like. Click on Save and Close. If you want, you can also change the panel message. Select a channel, then send the panel. This is the final look of our multi-button panel. Now, let's see the multi-drop-down panel. Select the ticket panel, then go to the Embed option, and change the button type to Dropdown. You can add a small explanation here. Once you click on Manage Dropdown Options, you'll notice the Dropdown panel is toggled on. As you can see, the first ticket option shows the ticket description. For the other ticket panels, I will quickly change the description. As you can see, the description for each panel has been updated. This is the final look of our multi-drop-down panel. Finally, let's see how you can create the FAQ option and link it with the ticket panel. On the dashboard, go to the FAQ tab. Click on the Create Panel option. I will write the panel name as Tickets FAQ. You can also customize the panel message if you want, but I am not going to do that. At the bottom, you can create the questions. All of this is self-explanatory, so I will speed up the process and show you the final version. You can send the FAQ panel individually also, but I am going to link this with our ticket panel. This is the final look of our FAQ option.